Hi guys, this is Wild Dom. This video will be a wand review. It's about a wand I made today, and real quick I wanted to show you this too. This is my new magic kit. I fixed it today. It had a bunch of stuff in it and I cleaned it out. Now it holds all my magical items, such as my dragon scales, my fairy dust, and my wand and spell book, and some other ingredients and stuff, and polished stones, and my enchanted ring and all that stuff. So that is my new magical kit. It has all my magic stuff in it. Now to the wand. I made this today, and right before this video I put a core in it. This is what the wand looks like. One cool part, I don't have any like carvings in it or anything. It's just a plain stick. I put a core in it and enchanted to make it a wand. It does look pretty cool with that. And on the grip, one really cool feature is it goes like from thick to thin to thin to thin. To thick to thin to thick to thin. That was like a tongue twister. It feels really good in my hand. It's very comfortable, and it's good length for me, and it's a very nice wand. Comment and tell me what you think about this wand, and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos, and see you later. This is Wild Dom.